Dip the rim of a cocktail glass in chocolate frosting, then into rainbow-colored sprinkles. Set the glass in the freezer to chill. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Then pour in 2 ounces of chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of cake vodka, a 1/4 ounce of coffee liqueur, and add a dash of chocolate bitters. Now shake until well chilled and strain into your chilled cocktail glass. And you're ready to enjoy the chocolate cupcake martini. A dessert-inspired culinary cocktail created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Sweet cheers, my dears.